Hello, we are Rie and Hiromi, cousins from Japan. Today, we'll show you how to make an easy butterfly origami in less than 3 minutes. First, place a piece of origami with white side face up. Fold origami in half, unfold, and fold towards the center line, and do the same for the other half. Change the position, fold in half to make much smaller square. Unfold and fold towards the center. Do the same for the other side. Here, make sure you have clean lines along the way. Clean creases help shape your origami better. Then fold, this time to make a triangle. Unfold, change the position. Make a triangle again. Unfold back to the rectangular shape. Open right side, then left, and fold to the center. Do the same to the other side. Pick right flap and fold back. And pick left and fold back. Here, we are no longer looking at symmetrical shape. Turn over and turn back. Fold just a bit on the right and left as shown. Once done, fold in half. The body of butterfly is almost there. Change the position and fold just a bit on the corner. Turn back and fold the wing inside. Now we have a butterfly. We created the center where you can glove and fly with your hand. Thank you for watching. Happy folding! 最後まで見てくれてありがとうございました。